But I think what you said there, we just need to get across is that you have so many solutions in your portfolio. As we know, not every solution will suit every customer, but you have enough solutions that you have something for every customer. Inventory management is often overlooked. Well, I'm here with Joe from the Hoffmann Group to find out what solutions they have to make you more efficient. Now, Joe, before we do start talking about the inventory management system, give us an introduction into yourself.
So I'm Joe Waterworth. I've worked within the sector for the last 16, 17 years, heavily focused around inventory management. The benefits are huge, Tom.
So talk us through the Garant Tool24 locker we're stood in front of now.
So it's a fully automated system available in carousel, lockers and drawer systems. It gives customers full control. They can restrict usage, they can restrict items based on date, expiry, quantity, guarantees availability of the product at line of use.
So for a customer who, in your experience, hasn't had inventory management systems, then gets one of these on the shop floor, what's the thoughts on it?
It's game changing. The benefits are phenomenal. People too often focus on the price of the product. The ONS labour rate is like £31.70 an hour. The time saved in not having to search for items, have items delivered on time every time, that's your true savings as a business.
Well, this is just one of your offerings. I think we'll move across now to the Holex inventory management system, but just before we get to that system, talk me through this because this looks quite interesting.
So at times people think of inventory management as vending machines. It's really not. We have a range of solutions that we utilise to meet the customer's needs at that time. Sometimes that means open access. You yourself have worked in shop floors. Not everything needs to be restricted or controlled. These are weight sensitive bins. Users can come to the item, take what they need, go and get the job done. These scales are pulsing regular to tell the system how many are left. It automates the ordering without slowing production down.
So, like you said, not every product needs to be behind lock and key.
No.
There is some things that are used daily, grinding discs, let's say.
Paintbrushes, grinding discs, tapes, low value, high use. Are you trying to control or stop people using it?
But how many shop floors have you been on where someone's taken the last grinding disc, let's say, not told anybody, the next person comes, there's nothing there?
It's a daily occurrence.
So now, at least with this system, somebody's getting an update on how many you've got, how many's left, how quick they're getting used, how many they need to order, to make sure if you need a grinding disc, it's there.
Yep.
Now, Joe, I think we need to move down to the 24/7 level.
Yep.
Am I right? And yes, I did just read that off the side because I couldn't see it. So, talk us through this system because this is a very, very clever system.
So, technology is advancing and speed and time is the money saver for people. So this is a fully controlled vending system. Log in with PIN number, RFID card. So as I log in, I'm now presented with the ability to take an item. It knows who I am when I've logged in. I open the door.
So I'm going to take
help
this
yourself.
one.
As you're doing that, each of those bins are weight sensitive. It's performing a weight check continually. And as you can see there on the screen, it's telling me that you've taken an acid cleaner.
I don't really think I need any acid cleaner, Joe.
Okay.
So what happens if I take the wrong item?
So you've got the choice here of instead of confirming it, I can open the door. Once the door's open, you can put it back, you can make your correct choices.
Say what I need?
Yep. The system is reweighing continually. So the screen's going to update to tell me that you've now taken the product you want. So you are actually taking the Power Force cleaner.
Can I just say, I love how quick, because a lot of downtime is from getting stuff out of the inventory management. But this is so quick, it's done before you've even closed the door.
Correct. Click confirm, go and do your job.
And
No time wasted.
So for a customer, for a real world solution of a customer who've had one of these put in, what has been their thoughts on it?
So we were approached by a UK manufacturer who wanted the what we all think of as typical vending solutions. They asked us about a bank of vending in the central stores locations. We went to site and they work in hubs and cells around the site. We actually suggested these were better in every location across the site. They work perfectly. It takes the time away from people walking to a centralised vend system and allows you to put the products people need in the area they need them.
But I think what you said there, we just need to get across is that you have so many solutions in your portfolio. As we know, not every solution will suit every customer, but you have enough solutions that you have something for every customer.
Correct. So what we pride ourselves on is technology in the market. So an example new to the market, digital labels. So these labels tell me what the product is, how many should be held. It will even tell me when the product's on order. So these can be rapidly deployed into the market, positioned at the position of goods. One press, that's now on order.
That's unreal. And like I said, it's just a label
Yep.
at the end of the day, but it's not, it's so much more.
So interestingly, when we say it's just a label, it's a digital screen. These can be remotely updated and amended to adjust quantities as we see usage change.
Again, it's just something else that can help a customer be more productive and to try and remove the areas of congestion and downtime.
Yeah, and one solution does not fit all. Let us as a team come to site, assess the situation, assess the way you work, and we will recommend a use of, maybe it's the labels, maybe it's the level. We might use them both. We might use different solutions in different areas of the site. Let us support to cut down that waste.